Hi everyone! If you're trying to sign up or log in to Rebtel in 2025 but keep seeing verification failed, here's how to fix it. First, make sure you have a strong internet connection. Poor network can stop the code from being delivered. Or accepted. Then double-check you entered your phone number correctly, including the country code. If you're still stuck, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. On Android and iPhone, also make sure you've allowed SMS permissions. For Rebtel, because the app might need to auto-detect the code. If you're not getting the code at all, tap resend and wait at least 60 seconds before trying again. In some cases, your carrier might block shortcodes, so contact them to make sure Rebtel messages aren't being filtered. Another tip, clear the Rebtel app cache or reinstall the app. This often resolves hidden bugs. And if nothing works, reach out to Rebtel's support team from their official website. After following these steps, you should be able to verify your account and start calling without issues.